Okay, so for configuration, SAP S/4HANA configuration, we'll be working on the phase one. This is financial accounting. Now, we were talking about implementation phases. Huh? So we just talk about enterprise structure. This is the first thing that everybody will, every company or every technical consultant or the person who are involved in the implementation of ERP software, this is the first thing that they will be creating in the SAP system. So they will create enterprise structure. And in this enterprise structure, they will be entering the codes for organizational unit. Remember, your organization from SAP point of view is a client. You can say it's an organization, you can say it's an enterprise, you can say it's a corporation, doesn't matter. This is the business terminology. But any corporation who is implementing SAP software, so for SAP, from SAP terminology, that organization is a client. If that organization has like two companies, one in Germany, one in United States, again, that is a client from SAP terminology point of view. But in our business terminology, it could be an incorporation, it could be an enterprise, it could be, it could be a holding, So in this enterprise, we will define codes for organizational units. Now, company is an organizational unit. If you see here, I can go to the next page, maybe this one. So Global Bike Incorporation is, from SAP point of view, it is a client. This organization has two company codes. So two companies. So from SAP terminology, they are company codes. So one code is for US company and one code is for German company. So US company has a code like US 00. And similarly, we have a Global Bike chart of account. So this chart of account is also, we will be working on. We have a business area. Okay. This business area has a code. Then we have like credit control area. This is also has a code. So we will define codes for all these, client, company code, chart of account, business area. If we miss one of them, we cannot use the functionality of that part. Or if we miss company code, for example, we cannot use the ERP system for accounting system. No way. So these are the codes that we have to register or we have to configure. Now, these are related to financial accounting. Okay. Except business area. Business area is for managerial accounting. Okay. So we're talking about here that in the enterprise, we have to, set up some codes for the client. It is already set up. We don't have to worry about it. Company code, yes, we have to create a company code. And this belongs to financial accounting. Chart of account, yes. Chart of account belongs to financial accounting as well as to the managerial accounting. We have a business area. This belongs to managerial accounting. But this is also a part of financial accounting as well, Credit control area, specify both organization unit for financial and so similarly, we have controlling area and we have like operating concern. These are belongs to cost accounting or managerial accounting. So it will take some time, 1 minute. Okay, so now if you see here, we have some um, organizational unit for controlling, for cost accounting. The client, operating concern, controlling area, and the company code. These are for what you call it, for cost accounting, for controlling areas. Now, if you see here, this is the big diagram. Very interesting. Second class. So all these codes are the part of enterprise structure, and that is what we have to do in the first task. Okay, so let's start from, if you see here, so from task 1.1 to 1.5 of the phase 1. So the first one is a phase 1. The tasks start from 1.1 to 1.5. So this is related to enterprise structure. Okay, that is what we will do. So this is the most simplest form, simplest part. We have to just create, and we have to just. So what I want you guys to do is, then we have like other tasks, that we will do inshallah later on. What I want you guys to do is log on to the system and open the handbook. Open the handbook, which is this part. Okay. And we will go step by step, slowly and slowly. Please make sure I don't have any control on any of your case study, what you are doing. If you make mistakes, I have no control to let you know that where you made the mistake. Okay, so if you made a mistake at one place, then I have to go through from the step 1 until the last step to figure it out. So sometimes some people, they miss some part, sometimes they configure incorrectly. So I don't have any really control on that. So you have to be very careful when you are doing this case study. Okay, this is a technical level case study. Any mistake you make, it will take a lot of time to figure it out. So better you just do it with precision. So yeah, so keep on reading, and then keep on doing the case study. So we will start with the enterprise structure, but before, I think it's a good idea if you can just read this part. Understand and configure financial accounting. It will take like 280 minutes. So it's not a small task. So yeah. So first of all, I want you guys to log into the system. Sometimes people, they are able to move on. Sometimes people, they are able to move on, but when they reach some step where they need to use that, what you call it, that value, then they get the error message, and then we have to figure it out again from the scratch. Yes, Hussein, I will share with you the link to download the software. Okay, so we have seen in the scenario that they have recommended implementation of SAP S/4HANA. In this case study, we found out that the both CEO, they approved the implementation. So now we are working on the implementation of the software. So let me get the request. Now, so we'll go through the phase 1. We'll go through the general note and caution. Okay, and we'll read this part as well, and then we will go for the enterprise structure, okay, for the implementation. So these notes are very important, guys. The transaction which we will be working on for configuration for SAP S/4HANA configuration, the transaction is known as S-Pro. You can write down this number or you can memorize this one. S-Pro. Remember one thing, that in the real life system, we can only implement one company at a time. But since this is for the students, this is the learning system, so they have given us permission that more than one participant can work on the same software and implement their own companies. So everybody will be creating his own company or her own company. And at the end, everybody will be testing his own company or her own company. This symbol, the pound sign symbol, is very important. Everybody must remember that we have a username 041 to 050. So everybody must note that, okay, we will be using 41, 42, 43. Whenever you create a company code like US 00 is our company code. Now we are working all the time, in our SAP HANA basic course. But when you will create your US 41, US 42, and the last person will create US 50 company code. Can we go back to the case study? Okay, great. We will use the SAP Easy menu. Okay. So once, inshallah, we have gone through to the menu, it will be very easy for you guys. Yeah, one more time is, you see, is forcing us. Whenever you see found pound sign, you have to remember this part, huh? Like you have to use your own number. Never use this pound sign for creating a company code or creating anything. Everybody will be using your own 2-digit number. This was the most important thing on this page. Now, the introduction of IMG. Okay, now we see that we have like SAP menu and then tool, customizing, IMG, and execute project. Now, can you please go to this menu, change the screen? Yes, please. So go to the SAP menu and tool. You can use the mouse, no problem. Sorry, you can use the arrow keys. Customizing, then IMG, and execute project. Okay, so this is the place that we will start our, and then we have to click on the SAP reference IMG on the top. SAP reference IMG. This is the place that we will be starting on. Okay, can you please go back? Exit from here. The yellow button or the green button, or the cancel button. Cancel this one, cancel this transaction and go back. Go back. Okay. So what you can do is you can use the mouse and you can close all of them. Okay. Left, left. Now can you go back again one more time so people can see one more time? So use the arrow key, come down, right, use the arrow keys. Use the arrow keys, please. And then you can go to the tools, right arrow key, right, customizing, right arrow key, down, image, down, right arrow key, execute project. Okay. One more time, press enter and click on the SAP reference image. So this will take you to the place from here. So this is the menu for setting up the SAP system. You can set up accounting, you can set up material management, you can set up sales and distribution, you can set up inventory management, warehouse management, you can set up project systems, you can set up plant maintenance, you can set up human resource, you can set up everything from this menu. Okay. Usually, this menu is not available for anybody except technical consultant. They have a special password, special users, special authorities. Can you please cancel this one? Again, one more time. Now we'll use another method, the SPRO. Okay. So can you please close this menu and go back to the SAP menu on the top? Left, left, left arrow key. Use the left arrow key to close all the menus. Okay. Can you click on the sorry, can you click on the command button and write down SPRO and press enter? Is it coming or not? Okay, we got it now. So click on the SAP reference. So without going to the menu, we just enter the name of the transaction, SPRO, and then click on the SAP reference image, and we will be inside. Can you click on the SAP reference image, please? Can you click on this reference image, please? Okay, so there you go. So now we are on the same menu. So we have used different methods to come to this place. Okay. Now, can you please share your lab activity document, handbook document? Miss Lela, can you hear me? Can you open the lab activity, please? Document. Okay. Can you please open the lab activity? handbook document. Open the handbook document, please. Can you open the handbook document, please? The case study. Okay, so we are done with this part. Can you go to the next page, please? So we are done with this part. Yeah. Go for the next page. Now you can see here. So we will implement the enterprise structure here. And this is the enterprise structure that we will be implementing. So we will implement. So we will implement, the client is already implemented, by the way. We don't have to worry about it. We will implement operating concern. We will implement controlling area, credit control area, chart of accounts, and company code and business area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 enterprise structure we will implement. And by the way, if you see here, in some of the example, can you please, 1 second, let me go back to the previous page. In some example, you may see give me a second, please. Oops. Okay, we'll go with the step number 1. So click on the enterprise structure, phase 1, page 7. Sorry, define company code. You can click on that, on the define company code. Yes, click on that. So it comes up here. Now we have to define the company code. And this is the path that will take us to defining the company code. So go back to the case study. If you can make it side by side, this document and the software, SAP software side by side. Try Windows and right arrow key. If you can press the Windows and right arrow key, that might help you. But if it is Mac, I don't know. Looks like it is Windows. Can you press Windows and right arrow key to distribute the screen into 2 parts? Okay. Okay, great. So can you click on the 3 lines? These 3 lines? So yeah, we can have Now you can go to the SAP customization implementation guide. We are there, and from there we can come down. Yeah, click on that, use arrow key, come to the enterprise structure. Come to the enterprise structure. Yeah, enterprise structure. Use the arrow key. You know the arrow on the left side, I think you have to use the mouse key. You can use the mouse, I think. Yeah. Enterprise structure. And now we'll go for the definition. In the financial accounting system, we'll go with the edit, copy. Please make sure edit, copy, delete, check company code. Click on the watch. Click on the watch. Yeah, this one. So can you go to the next page on the case study? So what we have to do is double click. Now we have to double click. Can you go up a little bit on the case study? I double click on this line, edit company code data. Double click on that. So if you see, now we got so many company codes which people are creating before your sections. Can you go down to see what is the last company that we have? Okay, the last one is 40, right? So I don't know, what's your number, Miss Leila? Your number is 48, right? So you can, yeah, 048. So your number is 48. So you can click on the new entry. We are going to create a new entry here. And then we will enter US, because we are creating a company in the US, because all the problems we have seen in the scenario belongs to US. So US and your number 48. Aiva. So this is your company that you are trying to create. Put the company name at in the next one. Put the company name in the next field, Aiva. That is like 48 Global Bike Incorporation. You can copy paste, no problem. Space, Aiva. And that's right. And the city is Dallas, because this belongs to a Dallas store. The country is USA. Maybe you have to type US or something like that. US, try US, because sometimes it comes like, yeah. And the currency is US dollar, USD. And then we have a language, English, EN. So this is how we're going to be entering the value for the. So we are trying to set up, okay, just 1 second, please. Go to the next page in the case study and do not press save until we saw the sign. And now we have to go for the address. So if you see, in some case studies, if somebody is using the browser, then he has to click on the more and go to and address. But in our case, we have the address menu in front of us. Okay, if you see on the top, if you can see here, this is the address which is available on the in front. So we have to click on the address. And there we have to type in. So this is the company. So you can say, okay, this is the company, US00, US48 is the company. Click on the C, this company. And name of the company is Uktub C, type C. The company will come. Select it. Yeah. And then The name of the company is 48 Global Bike Incorporation. Yeah, you can copy paste if you want. Okay, the search term will be 048. Okay, 0 and then 48 and 48. Yes. Go for the next one. Okay, this is address. Yeah, go ahead. Copy the same street. The postal code. US. Region is Texas, Dallas, Texas. TX. TX. And we have a jurisdiction code. Can you click on the plus sign on the right side? Yeah. So you have a jurisdiction code. Is like click on that jurisdiction code. No, this is the transportation zone of the. No, no, no. Up. Yamin. So click on that. No, 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 no. Go back. Click on the button and select one of them. Press enter. Press enter. You'll get this text. So we got the jurisdiction code. And can you go to the case study and see what else we need to enter? And that's it. Click OK and then click on the save. So OK is at the bottom, I think, the green button. Huh? OK is on the bottom with the green button. Aiva. Click OK. And now you can click on the save. And click OK. And click on the save. There you go. So you have successfully created your company code. Now, let me ask other people. Guys, did you follow us?
Yes, yes.
Great. And Hussein, you are also practicing at the same time with us?
Yes, I managed to have
If
the
you have,
same data.
great. If you find any difficulty at any moment that you are a little bit behind, let us know. We'll stop. We'll try to explain again. Huh? Okay, great. So this is like a. Now we can go for the next step, that is define the business area. Okay, so please exit from here. Exit from here. This is back. The exit is the yellow one. Okay, exit again. Yeah, close this one. And now you're back again. So what we have to do is, can you go back to the main menu so we can?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Let's complete.
1 minute, please. Yeah, 1 second, Leila. If you see, we have to come from the top. We can point to the top. The first one is SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, right? On the top. Then we come to the enterprise. Then we come to the definition, right? Yeah, and then we come to financial accounting. And then we come to define business area. Can you click on the business word? So this will be selected at least for some time. So people can see, have a look on that. This is what we are talking about. Yeah. So Hussein, you are with us now? Or we can go back. Okay, good. Now we have to create the we have to create this business area. What we can do? Same process, huh? Same process. New entry. And then type the business area is BI and your number. There's no zero. There is no zero. I told you. We are going to use, yeah, remember this thing, please. And then we have a description. This is bike, and we will say 48 bike because we want to make sure that this is your 48 space bikes. No, okay, you put it capital, no problem. You can put it capital or small, doesn't matter. So this is 48 bikes, huh? So you can click on the save, that's it. So we define company code and we define business area. Okay, so we are done with that part. 1 second, can you go back? Can you cancel everything, close everything? Exit, 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 even exit from here again. I just want to go back, exit from here again. Okay, so we are on the SAP software again. Okay, so guys, I want you to help me go back to the the same configuration screen. You remember everybody has to write the answer, guys, on the chat. What was the name of the transaction code that can take us to the configuration menu? Write down the name of the program, please, everybody. Then Miss Lela will type in, and then we will go to the, okay, Miss Lela, you know that, right? S-Pro, Saad, S-Pro, very good. My S-Pro, very nice. So please write down S-Pro and press enter and go back. Okay, now where we have to go? What was the next step? Click on SAP reference IMG. I've clicked on that. Now we are inside. Now what is the next step that we need to do? Okay, we have to go for the, again, SAP customizing implementation guide. Go to the financial accounting. Okay, this time we are not going to the enterprise menu. You got the point? So close the enterprise. Yeah. So this time we are going to the, because we are trying to define chart of account. Guys, this chart of account is the part of financial accounting and controlling as well. So we'll try to define the chart of account here. So in financial accounting, we are defining the chart of account. Then we'll go for, and this chart of account is the part of general ledger accounting. So we have a general ledger accounting. It is a master data, and we'll go with a GL account, and we are preparing, right? So we'll go for the preparation, and in the preparation, we will try to edit chart of account list. Okay, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, Uti. Can we go back? Can we go back? Okay. Can I use left arrow key? Okay, Hussein, we'll come back again, okay? I'm using mouse now. So I am on the SAP customizing, okay? So I'll come down to financial accounting. Here is my financial accounting. Okay, right arrow key, I come inside. Then, oh yeah, that's why I close the enterprise structure, okay? So it is after financial accounting. Now we can go with the general ledger accounting, right? In the general ledger accounting, we have the master data. In the master data, we have GL account. In the GL account, we have preparation. In the preparation, we have edit chart of account list. So we have to click on that. Miss Lela. So we have to, okay, good idea. We have to go for the new and we have to type in, what is that? GL? Yeah, 48. This is for our, and description will be 48 GBI Global Bike Incorporation Chart of Account, COA. Language is English, right? Language is English. Okay. And that's it. So this is done. So we created our, this is the organizational unit for our, okay, can you please go out from here, exit from here? Okay, let's see some, I got some message. Okay, that's fine. Please exit from here, exit from here, exit from here. Okay. And please exit from here as well. Yeah. Now I want you, no exit from here. Go back. I want you to use the menu to go to the execute project menu, configuration menu. Can you come down, please? SAP menu. Can you come down? Yeah. Use the arrow key, come down. And where we have to go? It was tools, right? What we want to do? Customizing. Yeah. IMG. I think this is implementation guide. Huh? Then we have execute project. Go back, go inside. So for every steps, we will go out and we'll come back. So in this way, at least it will memorize, you will get memorized. Okay, SAP reference IMG, very good. Okay, now we'll go back to the next case study. So that we should go to the right menu, the next page. Okay, now we will define the controlling area. Okay, now I have a question, guys. This controlling area belongs to which kind of accounting, please? This controlling area belongs to which type of accounting? Please write down the answer in the chat. Financial accounting? No, this is managerial accounting. Yes. Financial accounting is like our company code. So this is managerial accounting. Okay, now we are creating the controlling area for, so this is SAP customizing implementation, then enterprise structure, then we have to go for definition and controlling, and then maintain controlling area. Very nice. So let me go back one time, please. Can you just allow me to go back, definition, enterprise. So guys, in the customizing, in the SAP customizing, we have enterprise structure. In this enterprise structure, we have a definition. In this definition, we have like controlling now. Before we went to the financial accounting, right? But now we are going to the controlling. This is managerial accounting. In the managerial accounting, we want the controlling area. Now, Ms. Lela, can you click on the IMG activity? Implementation guide activity. Click on the watch, please. Yeah, click on the watch. Now we have to go for, so in the activity, we have to do the double click on the maintain controlling area. So we'll double click on that, maintain controlling area. And now we will do, we have to be very careful, guys. Huh? So while we are on the basic data, you see, in the change view, we are on the basic data overview screen. Huh? Basic data overview screen. If you see on the top, we have like, if you see on the top, I'm not sure whether I can select this line or not. If you see here on the top, the change view, basic data overview. So yeah, click on the new entry now. Now in this controlling area, because this is the North America, because it's a company is in Dallas and that is in North America. So we will say NA and your number. Very good. And the name of this is GBI 48 GBI North America. Very good. And now we'll say this is company code. And this is, yeah, we don't have to select. I think we have to pick. Just go to the, can you increase the size of this? Can you increase the size of the software? One more, show more. Mazid. Keep going. Okay, click on this one. And yeah, company code, cost accounting, right? Company code, cost accounting. Cross company code, cost accounting. Very right. And now we have to take care of all the ticks. All the ticks. Currency code is 10. So all the ticks must be taken care. These are the must required entry. Company code currency. Then US dollar. And then we have chart of account. No. Chart of account. This is not the chart of account. So look for chart of account. Yes. GL48. Very nice. And we have to look for the fiscal year variant. That fiscal year, this is must, because accounting system is working on the fiscal year. Every month is a period and we have to close the month. So we can safely draw the, so this is K1, right? Is calendar year, special period. Calendar year mean it start from January till December. Okay, so go for the next. And that's it. We have to click on the save. I will receive a document line, display messages. Okay, so you see here, so we got the display line messages. Okay, we have to be very careful. We can see that what is happening here. So this is the place where many people make mistakes. Okay, and then we went into the deep trouble. Now let's go back to the case study and make the small screen, please, Shreya. This is, can we? We cannot. Okay. So can I see the, okay. So when we save, we got a display line. So pop-up warning will come and we have to click on the OK to proceed. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So I just want to see what is happening on this screen. Okay, guys. Item number is 000, maybe have some number. Okay, new finance GL account. Finance PCA used in ledger 0L. Okay, it is telling us information that, okay, we have some line items, maybe we have so many. If you, can I just control your screen? I'm not sure if I can increase the column size to display some of the information to you guys. No, I cannot. So it is telling that this is the finance general ledger, new. So we have like new methodologies that we have SAP has created a new general ledger. So this shows that we are using the new general ledger methodologies. Financial accounting, PCA. This is financial accounting and product cost accounting. Also used in ledger 0L. 0L is the operating ledger. This is the main ledger that company, that any entry we made, it will go to the 0L ledger. That is the operating ledger. Activate profit center accounting as well. Okay, so yani it is telling us this information. Okay, click on OK now. Okay, that's it. One time. Now go back to the what it says. 1 second, please. And then click on the exit. In the exit menu pop-up, click on the yes. Okay. Yeah, you want to save, click on the yes. So the data will be saved. Okay. And then in the select activity menu pop-up, 1 second, click cancel to return to S-Pro. Okay, we are done with this part. Yeah, click cancel. And then we can click on the exit. Click close this one, close this one, close this one, close, exit from here, exit from here. So we exit from here, close at the bottom. Close from, close, exit from here. There you go, exit from here. So we have done with our controlling area. So we specify the controlling area, we specify the fiscal year, we specify the this controlling area is with the cross company code. When we say cross company code, yani it will be for US company and it will be for German company. That is why we say cross company code. So yani if I have to take a report for the bicycles business area, it will use the both company codes data for bicycles. Okay, now we can go back and return to the S-Pro menu. Very nice. Now we are working on the credit control area. So we have to define this credit control area. So we have to go back to the menu, guys. S-Pro. No, S-Pro. Very nice. Press enter. And now we have to go for, yeah, that's right. And now we need to go for the guide enterprise structure. Use the arrow key, please. Can you please use the arrow keys? Thank you. Click on the customizing or click on the customizing. No, Aiva. So definition and then financial accounting, right arrow key, Yamin, Aiva. And then we have to define credit control area. Define credit control area and click on the watch. Yeah. So if you go down, you will see that you have credit control area. How many credit control areas you have? Like until 40 or something like that. Oh, our brother is creating 49 is also creating. Hussein, I think, is going ahead of us. Oh, let's do fast so we can catch Hussein as well. So we have to create the new entry. And in this new entry, what we will do, okay, GL48. So this is our credit control area. The currency will be US dollar. Very nice. And then update will be open order value on time axis, delivery and billing document, something like that. Is 012. Okay. And then we have a variant of fiscal year. We know that K1 we have already done with that. Go for the next page on the case study, please. Okay, we have to click on the save. So this is our credit control area is done. Now we have to go back one step. The green one. Oops. Go back again, please. No. Go back to the SAP image reference. We are not done yet, you see. Go back again, enterprise structure. Okay, when I say back, you have to press the green button, huh? Credit control area. Define credit control area. Yeah. Go down. No. We have already done the new part. Thank you. Okay, we have like 40, right? 48. So we missed this part. We have to type in 48 Global Bike Incorporation. Bike Incorporation. Dot. Okay, now we can save. So in this way, we entered the description of our GL as well. Can you please save this one? Okay, now we can exit from here, and exit from here, and exit from here. And now we are on the main. 1 second. Okay, now can you go to the case study, the next screen? Okay, now we have to define the posting periods, variants for posting periods. This is required for month end closing. You know, every accounting system, whether it's a banking or companies, they close every month. So once they close, they cannot do any transaction in the previous month. So the values are safe, values are protected, and now they can take the reports from the previous month without any hesitation, because those are the final entry. They've already closed the previous month. So now we have to define the variants for opening posting periods. Okay, so we go for the escrow. Small capital, no problem. Okay, press enter. Yeah. And now go, please don't click on the SCP customizing. No, don't go for this one. I want you to come through the menu. Huh? So slowly, so everybody can see where we are going, because sometimes mouse is not clear where the mouse is going. So come down to financial accounting. There you go. In the financial accounting, we have like financial accounting global settings. Okay. Then we have a ledger. Then we have fiscal year posting period. Fiscal year and posting period. Then we have like posting periods. That posting periods. Then define variants for opening posting period. Yeah, this is the one that we need to work on. Click OK. And now come down. You know, let's see how many people are ahead of us. Come down. From there we can see. So we are starting from, we have like 40. Oh, mashallah, 49 is ahead of us. Huh? 40 and 49, they are ahead of us. Mashallah, they are doing great job. Okay, but we will go slowly, huh? Like a turtle. And they are like rabbits. Huh? So can you come down from the right side to see? You know, turtle always go fast. Always win from the rabbits. Okay, so we did this one. Yeah, we click on the define variants. Now we are on the posting periods define variant screen. Can you see the screen? Can you move the cursor on the top of posting period define variants overview? on the software. This is the place. You see, this is the place. This is the screen. Now we can create the new entry for our posting periods. Okay, so in the variant, you have to type GL, your number 48, and the name is 48 GBI posting periods. Very nice. And go for the next page. Click on the save, the easiest one. Huh? Please go outside and we will come back again from S-Pro. Okay. So at least anything you remember or not, you will remember S-Pro forever in your life. And all our participants as well. Can you exit from here as well, please? On the software. Okay, and from here as well. Very nice. Can you go to the case study now? Okay, now we will define the field status variant. Can we read what is field status variant? Is created here, comprised of several field status group. Okay, this is interesting. I believe this is also in the part of exam question as well. So each of these group categories specify specific type of GL account and define their status input fields such as required entry or optional entry. I think there are 4 statuses for this one: display, optional, required, and there is one more as well. So we'll see, inshallah. So let's go to the software, S-Pro, and we can go back. Yeah, and use the arrow keys to use the mouse to SAP image, reference image, Ava. And now you can click on the customizing and use the arrow key to come down to financial accounting, to global settings, to the ledger, global settings, and right arrow key to the ledger. And now we are working on the fields, huh? Which fields we want to display, which fields we want to hide. And then we have a defined field status variant, Ava, this one. Okay, you're not authorized to use this transaction SM34. Okay, give me a second. I think everybody's stuck on this place, huh? Is everybody stuck on this place? .48 space. Then we have like 48 space. I paused, so 48 space. .48 space. 48 space. Yeah, there you go. Can you see the? And now we have to click on the save. Huh? And we have to just go out of this place and then we can click on the okay. Can we exit from here and then we can come back again? Can we exit from here and then we can come back again? Yes, please. Okay, now S-Pro again. Okay, now okay, you can continue going. What is the next step? Financial accounting. Okay, and then we have So what we are doing now, so changing view. Can you go back one step? I just want to see the heading of the company. No, not here, not here. In the case study, please. Yeah, go show up. Okay, so we are trying to set up the global parameter for a company code. This is very important step, guys. So here we will enter the parameters that will control the company code. So, and the global parameters. Global parameters mean that this might be on the this will be for whole organization in Germany and United States both, because now we are working on the credit control area as well in this one, and credit control area definitely going, and chart of account as well. So both of them will be for financial accounting and also for the controlling. And the controlling is taking care of both companies, Germany and United States. So this is the global parameters. So remember this thing, that this global parameter will affect both companies. Go ahead. So now we are trying to, okay, change the view. So we are changing view, company code, global data, overview screen. So click on the US 48, your number. Go down, US 48. Is that your US 48? Okay, select this one. Aiva. So, okay, now it says double click on the US 48. So you have to do double click on the US 48. There you go. And now we will set up the change view, global data, double screen. Detail screen is coming. Okay, this is the detail screen. And now you have to enter the values. That GL 48 is your chart of account. GL 48 is your chart of account. And then you have credit control area is GL. Okay, yeah, this is the one. And credit control area is GL 48 is the credit control area. Very good. Fiscal year is K1. Now these will be applied to controlling as well. Remember this thing. K1. And then field status variant is GBI 48. Field status variant is GBI GL 48. Okay. Then what is that? Posting period variant GL 48. The maximum exchange rate deviation is 10%. Exchange rate deviation is 10%. Cost of sale accounting activity in preparation is 1. Okay, what is this one? Can you please show? Oh, in preparation. Okay, what is the other values? Active, in preparation, inactive. Okay, so we are in preparation. Okay, proposed fiscal year selected. The next column, Aiva, number 2. Then define default values date. Then we have like financial assets management active. Okay. So now we can save this part. So we have set up the global. Very good. And now we can exit from here. The next step. Okay. Assign company code to the controlling area. Now this is, so we have a controlling area, we have a company code, but we never assigned it. So now we will assign. Can you exit from here and then come back from Espro? Okay. Very good. Inshallah, with this, you will be expert. Huh? Again, coming and going back and forth, it will memorize, or you will memorize every steps, inshallah. So enterprise structure, assignments, okay, and this is controlling, assign company code to the controlling area. Huh? Very good. Now we have to go for, okay, what is that? Change view basic data screen overview. Highlight the NA48, your number, NA48. Highlight your, this is your, so to this area, yeah, to this controlling area, we will go for the new entry. New entry. So we will create controlling area is NA, one second. In the new entry over, yeah, we did this part. Double click. No, I think we did highlight. Okay, can we cancel this one? Cancel this one. We don't want to save. If this is not working, click on the red button. Okay, now we have to, what we have to do, highlight the NA. No, no double click. No double click. Highlight, bus highlight, okay? Double click on the assignment of company codes. You know the next one? Aywa, Hina, you have to double click on that. No entry found for the mass selection criteria. Okay. So one second. Now you are on the which screen? Assignment of company codes overview screen, right? Here you have to click on the new entry. Aywa. So here you can type company code US, your number 48. 48. So you are trying to assign a US 48 company code to the, that's it, press enter, I think. See if the name of the company comes in. Yeah, okay. So name of the company comes in front of you. Now you can click on the save. So we assign a company code to the controlling area. Okay, one second. Go back to the case study. And it says the menu will pop up, display line messages will come up. You click on OK. Yeah, so basically, whatever you have last time we created the company code, so we got this same screen. So basically, the general ledgers and new general ledgers and operative general ledgers, they were becoming the part of that. So now they are, I think, linked to your controlling area as well. Okay, that's fine now. So click OK, proceed OK, and click on exit to give a second. I think doing some task. Just wait for a second. Yeah, it takes a lot of time to load, you're right, because I think maybe thousands of codes are there. Thank you very much, Suzanne, for your because it will, copy your chart of accounts to, other.
विश्व का सूरत हाल ये है
It's taking too much time, huh? We have to wait. We have no choice. So, can you go down? Okay, now, okay, click proceed, and then I think we should wait for that, because if we try to cancel, maybe, we end up in some other problems. Okay, so we are done with that. Now you can click on exit. Okay, and you can click on exit and exit. Now come back again from Astro. So and then we have to go for customizing, implementation guide, enterprise structure. Guys, we'll stop here, inshallah, after we assign the operating concern, and then we'll do rest of the things, inshallah, in the next class. We didn't have any break, so okay. So assignment, controlling. Come down to the controlling. Then assign controlling area to operating concern. Yes. So before we did the company code to controlling area, now we are doing controlling area to operating concern. There you go. Okay. So go down, and I think we have to, yeah, go down. Okay, so we have to have a connection with the GL00. GL00 is operating concern. You can write in front of that. Here, GL00. So this is how we connect with this. Press enter and save. So when you press enter, it comes like GBI global, and then you can just click on the save. There you go. So this is done. And let's go for the next one. See what is the next. Okay, assign credit control area to the company code. We can do this one as well. This is small. So exit from here. You don't have to exit. Go, just press left arrow key, and then left. Yeah, click on the left arrow key, and then now you can come back again. So now we have to go for financial supply chain management. Financial supply chain management. In this one, we have to go for credit management, because this is credit control area. And then we have to go for integration with account receivable. Okay, and then we have to go for integration with account receivable accounting. Is there anything? Okay, we did that. And now we have to go for assign permitted credit control area. Assign permitted number تحت أيوة to company code. Yes, assign permitted credit control area to company code. Come down. So we have to in the permitted control area, okay, we'll click on the new, and we'll say, okay, this new entry. What is that? Company code US 48. And the credit control area is also your GL48. There you go. Press enter. That's it. Press save. So we have assigned credit control area to the company code as well. What is that? Okay, we have some error here. 1 second, please. Okay, insert procedure duplicate record in the. Okay, Miss Maj, you can leave now, no problem. 1 second, guys. Let me take the picture of this. Okay, looks like duplicate error. Huh? Just go outside. I think somebody has done this part again on our side. Okay, can you go back? Can you go back from here? Credit control area. Let's go back and see. Yeah, come back again. Okay, mashallah. We'll try here, and I think this will be the stopping point for us. Last time we'll try, and then we'll go back, inshallah. Yeah. Financial, supply chain management, credit control, credit management, sorry. Integration with account receivable and sales distribution, account receivable accounting, up before account, yeah. Assign, Yamin. And then we have to go for assign, the second last one, assign permitted. We just want to see, can you go down? Can you go down from here in the software? I just want to see if somebody, we already made it, you know, we already made it. So we cannot create the new one, okay? So what we can do is we can just click on the glasses, click on the aywa. Just we want to see here what is there, what is happening. Okay, click on this one, select this one, and just click on the view. Aywa. Nothing here, huh? So we can just, okay, can you go down and double click on this one? One last try, double click on that US 48. That's it, cannot be selected. That's so I think we have already assigned the credit control area is already assigned to the company code. There you go. So we are done with this part. So so we will stop here, inshallah, and tomorrow maybe in the next class we can come back and we can do this thing. If you want to do in during the vacation time, please do it, but do it with very carefully. Yeah. So yeah. Any question, guys? Type your name, guys. Type your name in the chat. So this will be your attendance, and that's it. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.